Hello everyone. Today we will be looking at how to create new React frontend solution. Before creating a new solution, I would like to highlight that Raaghu has a support for multiple versions as well, which we can see on our documentation side. So let's see how can we create a new solution using our automation tool, that is Raaghu CLI. So let's go to the Raaghu CLI documents. Here we have a commands for installation and update the existing installation. We have many more commands like help, login, logout. Right now we are need to generate the new solution. So we have a command Raaghu new, our solution name and the options. So I am creating a command Raaghu new and my solution name. I'm entering my credentials for the login, email and password. After verification will successful, it will execute the new command. Now the command is creating your React application. This may take a few moments depending upon your internet speed and the system performance. While we wait, let's talk about why React type is a popular choice. It set up a modern built environment with zero configuration, allowing you to focus on writing code rather than spreading time on the tooling setup. So once the installation completes, we will move on to exploring the newly created folder. Looks like almost done. Great, the installation is complete. Now let's navigate into the folder. So this type of folder structure it will create for you for the node modules and elements and MFA. Now we have created new Raaghu React frontend solution for our application using Raaghu CLI. In the next video, we will be looking at how to generate proxies for our newly created solution using backend for complete integration of frontend and backend project. See you in the next video. Happy coding!